So you've probably heard about this new micro-sized drone and you want to know more about it. So we're going to talk about the new TELLO drone. What's the deal? How does it fly? Is it worth $100? What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds. Today we're talking about the all-new TELLO drone. And what's really cool about this drone is that it's very simple and easy to fly. It's probably one of the easiest micro-sized drones that I've flown. And I've flown a couple different ones. This is definitely the easiest one to use. Now you're gonna get 13 minutes of flight time. The drone itself weighs 80 grams. It's very lightweight, it's small, it's gonna come with everything you see here. You can also use the TELLO to learn about coding. So the drone is going to have a 720p camera on the front. It's going to shoot 5 megapixel photos as well. It has the vision positioning system on the bottom. It's gonna help know where it is in the air. You're going to be able to use the TELLO app to control the drone, but you can also buy an additional controller similar to a gaming Xbox controller to control the drone if you want that as well, to increase kind of the sensitivity. It's a little difficult sometimes to use the app and using your thumbs on the screen. It actually has some pretty cool smart features when you're flying. You can do a couple different things. You can land it in your hand, fly it around. It can actually do a circle around you and fly and film around you. There's a couple different things you can do, this like kind of throw it and go thing where if you throw it in the air, it'll take off. You can use the auto takeoff and landing as well. It's very easy and very simple to fly. It's basically a much more advanced toy drone. It's fun to fly. I took it outside, flew it around a little bit. The app itself has a VR function, so you can use headsets. So you can see the TELLO app here. You have the joysticks built onto the screen. A couple different options. You can take photos, videos, switch the camera from photo to video mode, and then over here control some of the settings, and you actually click right there and you can see the different flight modes. It's pretty cool. You can actually make it do flips and stuff like that. The throw and go, you have to circle and all the different options. Controls itself in the air, stays stable. You don't need to give it a lot of input. You don't need to be flying it the entire time. It just sits there when you're not actually controlling it, which is very nice because a lot of these kind of smaller micro-sized drones don't do that. A lot of them are just going crazy all the time, but the TELLO is actually very smooth and stable and very user-friendly. I think somebody who has never flown a drone before could use the TELLO and not have any problems. I like how simple it is. I like how easy it flies. It's smart. I like the little prop guards. You can fly around the house, don't have to worry about destroying it. It seems like it's very sturdy. The actual arms and stuff have a little bit of a flex to them, so I think if you do crash into the wall and stuff like that, it's not gonna just break and fall apart into a million pieces. So I'm excited to spend a little bit more time flying the TELLO around and learning more about it. I think if you're looking to get into drones, this could be a great little starter piece. And then also, if you're looking to have more fun with the drones that you already have, this is a great piece for that as well. It's something you can do when you're bored or you want to take it around, fly it around your house, make a little course and get really advanced. You can do that as well because the TELLO does have that ability to really kind of get crazy. If you want to learn more about the TELLO, you can head on over to dronenerds.com. We're going to have this baby in stock very soon. So make sure you head on over to dronenerds.com today and check out our newest product, the TELLO.